Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Hope you're all doing well. Okay, it's me Chioma as usual. So I'll be making banana bread today. I'll be showing the things I'll be using. I'll be making use of 3 ripe banana, 1 egg. I'll be using 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I'll be making use of 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, half cup of milk. Then I'll be using 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Guys, like I always say, make sure you get all these measuring cups so that you will measure well. And wow, our banana cake came out so well and it was so delicious. So guys, that's the first thing I'm doing. I'm matching my banana. You will see the outcome. Make sure you do it well, like the way I'm doing it now. After that, I'll show you what next to do. So guys, that is the outcome as you can see. So you pour it in a bowl. The bowl you will use for your mixing. You add your sugar and your egg and mix very well. Guys, after mixing for about 6 minutes, you add your vegetable oil and you keep mixing. After adding your vegetable oil, the next thing you should add is your milk. Your half cup of milk should be added. You mix all together. Make sure you mix very well, where you will see the outcome after mixing. You will mix it very well so that it will come out very well. That's the outcome of it. That's the outcome. So the next thing you should do is to sieve your flour and your baking powder and mix all together. Guys, we are mixing all together now. As you can see, we are making use of our manual mixer, as in our hand mixer. So it will take us up to 10 minutes for it to be good, yeah, for you to get your desired result. But if you are making use of your electric mixer, I think it will be okay by 5 to 6 minutes. So as you can see, I'm mixing it. So after that, you bake your banana bread. So guys, we are done mixing. As you can see, that's the outcome. So the next is to bake. Look at what I'm doing. I'm applying oil into the baking pan. So after greasing your pan with oil, you add your butter. So guys, as usual, I'm not making use of oven. I'll be making use of my pot and my gas. So that's how I placed it. I hope you have been seeing it in my videos. So you cover your pot and you use a thick material to cover the lid of your pot. That's it. And you wait for it to bake. Guys, you can bake, as you're using your stove and your gas, you can bake for 35 to 40 minutes, because that's, I calculated my time, went back to check, and it was okay. So that's the bread. As you can see, is okay. I made use of my toothpick to check, and wow, it came out nice. So guys, that is the outcome of our banana bread. Guys, yeah, it's very simple, Make sure you do it for your kids, for your husband, for your wives. And thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.